It is already 16 minutes to 5 o'clock. The sun is setting down now outside, and I already took a shower, and now I'm going to eat. I just cooked this rice. Then we'll have this sinigang. This one is for tomorrow, and they have this shrimp paste. And I'm also doing my laundry at the moment. Yo, good afternoon guys. It is already 2:30, and as you can see, I have a lot of mess in here. These boxes, and that thing is still there. Those for the car. And I have this for camping, the tents, and the sleeping bag. Yeah. And it's small things. Yeah, but I'm actually going to organize this one so that everything will be in a proper place. I collapsed up all the boxes the box of the tools and some other things. I was keeping it for no reason. And all of my white wine, they are all here. Yes. One of this is from 2017, and one of this is also just from the recent Christmas. And this one is from the wedding of John. Because every year they are giving us wine. I don't drink. So this is what I'm going to do today. I will be organizing, cleaning, and I will see you tomorrow. Yo, good afternoon guys. It's already 3:15. I just got home, so I transferred this one here, and then I organized this, and there is no more mess here, no more box, but I still have this bike carrier. If you want this bike carrier, I will give it to you, but I also still have this bottles here. Yesterday I received this rice cooker. Yeah, small rice cooker. I bought it because this one is just 300 watts, and it's about $30 compared to the rice cooker in Kmart, the $7. I think that one is about 1000 watts if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, what I need is a low wattage so that I can use it with my battery, with my inverter, and nothing really much to vlog. So because I just got home and come straight here in the house, and now I'm preparing my meal. I'm not sure about this rice. There's no smell. Feels like it's still good, but this one is like 3 days. Today will be the 3rd day, so I don't like it anymore. And today is not cold. Yeah, the weather is just good today. That's why I'm wearing this sando. Yeah, I have this roasted chicken. I also have some chicken stock. And of course I have this vermicelli. And I still have some of this frozen vegetable. Oh, let me open this. Yeah, still early. Still have this. It will be for tomorrow. More water. Yeah, because I want it to be a soup. Okay, I'll just let it boil, and I'm going to organize this first. Not the best, but it's okay. I don't have proper ingredients. So basically, I have this water container. It is the what's that? Robert Tim's coffee. Yeah, so I have 3 bottles of this. always full of water, always ready here in the table, and so when I really want to drink, I'll just drink. I don't put it in the refrigerator, I just keep it here. Yeah, room temperature. Actually, room temperature here is cold. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty, and yeah, I started at 6 and I finished just now. It's already 2:13, and I'm going to Salamander Bay Shopping Square to put gas here in the vehicle. Yeah, and I'm going to check which petrol station has the cheapest diesel. So I have this NSW fuel check. It is already set to premium diesel, and it says here yeah, all of them are 189 in Salamander Bay area. 189 in Nelson Bay area. In Pingal Bay, yeah, it's 194 for diesel, and in Nelson Bay it's 193. That's why we are going to Salamander Bay. 89, 99, 22, 93, almost $4 cheaper in Salamander Bay. And you know, it is so good to park here inside the covered parking. Yeah, because normally this is for the high-ranking management and for the guests. Yeah, they get access card. For ordinary employee, we park in the in the employees parking. We park in the anywhere, even sometimes outside when it is full inside here, but normally inside the premises, but under the sun, under the heat. But here it's really good. Yeah, I feel like the vehicle is properly comfortable. We are now here in the petrol station, and as you can see, it is 867 kilometers for a full tank. Already 80. Before with my Suzuki Jimny, it was just around $60 for the full tank. Yeah, now it's 150 something. We will see how much. It's over 105 now. $115. So that's it. Yeah, $139.01. 73.20 liters. It's difficult to put. And now we're going inside to pay. And using my Woolworths rewards cards, I got a $2 discount. Very nice. Salamander Bay Shopping Square is just at the back of that. And this red orange is the Aldi. We are now here in the car park of a shopping center. And there is one beautiful car next to me. It's a GT. Yeah, really beautiful. But I don't like, Mustang GT. But I don't like kind of car. Not really purposeful. My phone is running out of battery, and so I am charging it here at the moment before we go inside the Kmart. Yeah, because I am going to buy, it looks like Lucci. I can see only the forehead. But maybe it's Lucci. Yeah, one of my colleague. I am getting this one. This is just $5. So basically it's a set, but later we walk around first. I don't want to buy the individual one because it's $7. And they actually have this 50 pieces utensil set. $20. Yeah, I don't need all this kind. Actually, this will be very useful. We never know when I am going to use it. Like there is a measuring cup, measuring spoon, but no, I don't need that. And I'm actually going to buy this one. It's $25. Actually, in every department store, like even in a Bunnings warehouse, they also have something like this, just different brand. and the one that they have very similar. I mean, it's just the brand, the color are different when you look at it, but I don't know what are the, you know, the safety something they have, but this one is the cheapest here in Kmart. In Bunnings I think it's $29 or $39, and then I saw also in another store, camping store, which is $49, but looks the same. Another thing is I want to buy a box where I can put everything for cooking. Yeah, something like this, where I can put like that, and then all the other utensils, kitchen equipment. And this one is the right fit. And another option that I am thinking about is this one. This is 60 liters. Yeah, I can also put, but I can also put on the top, but very small things that I can put on this side. And also maybe this is not fit under the bed. I'm going to buy this first, and then I will check the size of this one, if it is fit on my under bed.
Apparently yours is bad too.
Yeah.
Just look at one side.
Yes.
I
It's working.
wallet for it.
I also bought this kind of yeah, pork crackling. And in case you don't know, here there is this kind of return and exchange, return and earn. Basically with your bottles you earn 10 cents. Oh, it's not pork crackling. So this is how it is. Danger. Look at this camper trailer. Yeah, there is a bike at the back, and on the roof it looks like there are so many things happening. I'm going back to Kmart to get that box. I just measured and it's the right fit. In case you don't know about this shirt that I have, yeah, I bought it from the garage sales in my neighbor. Oh, now I know what kind of Toyota is this one. Yeah, really beautiful. I like. It's GLX. Oh, GXL. Not GLX, but GXL. I end up here in I forgot the name, Reject store, and I found this. Yeah, this is where I'm going to put the soy sauce, oil, olive oil maybe. Yeah, this is just $3.75. And do you know that some of these chocolates and candies, lollies, you don't see in the Woolworths or in the grocery. So I'm going to get one of these. This is just $2.50. I got this. This is just $10. They have a lot good quality, good looking in Bunnings, but they are expensive, over $20. And it is a little bit dark now outside. I park in Aldi, but I didn't buy anything from Aldi today. It's alright, I buy sometimes. It switches on the lights. And I'm going to put this here. Oh no, the other way. Yeah, it will be like that. Yeah, we are home. And it is already 10 minutes to 6 o'clock. And I'm going to prepare my meal. Already reheating the rice. And I still have this noodles that I cooked yesterday. I'm going to reheat it, recook it with egg. And this is my dinner.